Bay windows are a beautiful way to open up your home in Palmetto Bay. They extend outward, create extra interior space, and bring in abundant natural light. But while style often gets the spotlight, proper installation is what truly determines how well a bay window performs over time. Even the highest quality window can underperform if it isn't installed correctly. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, where heat, humidity, and storms are part of daily life, expert installation is not just important, it's essential. Energy efficiency starts with precision. One of the biggest benefits of bay windows is increased sunlight and outdoor views. However, without proper installation, that benefit can turn into higher energy bills. Bay windows are more complex than standard flat windows because they project outward and connect multiple panels at angles. This design requires precise measurement, proper insulation, and secure sealing. If gaps are left around the frame or between window panels, conditioned air can escape and humid outdoor air can seep inside. In Palmetto Bay's warm climate, even small air leaks can strain your air conditioning system. A properly installed bay window includes tight seals, quality flashing, and adequate insulation to maintain indoor comfort. When installed correctly, it helps stabilize temperatures and keeps energy costs under control. Protection against moisture and humidity. Palmetto Bay homeowners are no strangers to heavy rains and high humidity. Bay windows, because of their extended structure, are especially vulnerable to water intrusion if not installed properly. Improper flashing, weak seals, or misaligned framing can allow moisture to penetrate behind the window unit. Over time, hidden moisture can lead to mold growth, wood rot, and damage to interior walls. Professional installers understand how to integrate bay windows into the home's existing structure, ensuring proper drainage and weatherproofing. They use high-quality sealants and install flashing systems that direct water away from the window and the home. This attention to detail protects your investment and helps prevent costly repairs down the road. Structural support matters. Unlike traditional windows that sit flush against a wall, bay windows extend outward and require additional structural support. This often includes reinforced framing, support brackets, or cables that help distribute the weight properly. If a bay window is not properly supported, it can sag over time. Sagging can cause glass stress, seal failure, and operational issues such as difficulty opening or closing the windows. In a storm-prone area like Palmetto Bay, structural integrity is even more critical. Strong winds and pressure changes demand a secure installation that keeps the window firmly in place. Professional installers assess the wall structure before beginning the project. They ensure that the opening is properly framed and that the weight of the bay window is adequately supported. This careful approach ensures long-term durability and peace of mind. Improved comfort and noise reduction. A well-installed bay window does more than look good, it enhances everyday comfort. Tight seals and proper insulation reduce drafts, helping rooms feel consistently comfortable. They also limit outside noise, which can be particularly valuable if you live near busy streets or coastal areas. When installation is rushed or poorly executed, gaps and weak points can allow noise and air to pass through easily. Homeowners may notice whistling sounds during windy conditions or feel temperature fluctuations near the window. Proper installation eliminates these issues and ensures your bay window functions as intended. Long-term value and warranty protection. Many window manufacturers offer strong warranties, but these warranties often depend on professional installation. Improper installation can void coverage, leaving homeowners responsible for future repairs. Choosing experienced professionals in Palmetto Bay helps protect your investment. Expert installers follow manufacturer guidelines, local building codes, and best practices for hurricane-prone regions. This not only preserves warranty protection but also adds long-term value to your home. A properly installed bay window boosts curb appeal, increases usable interior space, and enhances resale value. Prospective buyers appreciate quality workmanship and the confidence that comes with a professionally completed project. The bottom line for Palmetto Bay homeowners: bay windows are a stunning addition to any home, but their performance depends heavily on proper installation. From energy efficiency and moisture protection to structural stability and long-term durability, expert craftsmanship makes all the difference. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, investing in professional installation ensures that your bay window delivers beauty, comfort, and reliability for years to come. When installed correctly, your bay window won't just transform your view, it will strengthen your home's performance in every season.